We use technology. We rely on it. It connects us to what we care about. Yet there are times when we find ourselves on our own again. What if you could charge your device using only a candle? All you need is water, a candle, then plug in and charge. It's dependable and provides an instant source of power when you need it most. Now, no matter where you are or whatever happens to the electricity, the candle charger will be there to keep you connected.
Hi Kickstarter, it's Adam from Stower. We've been really happy with the progress we've made since our first campaign, and we're excited to bring you something new. The candle charger is an emergency preparedness product, which means that you don't know that you need it until you really need it. We can't wait to see what you guys do with it.
Isn't it time we listen to our pets? That's why we developed Felcana. Felcana is a patented ecosystem of connected devices. The Helix, a home hub, micro-location beacons, and the Felcana app. They all work together to monitor your cat or dog's well-being, reassuring for you and hard cloud-based data for us vets. People and pets have amazing bonds, yet we don't always know what our best friends are telling us. We're always connected to each other, so we thought, why not connect it to our pets too? Felcana subtly tracks and monitors pet behaviour, giving you and your vet rich data for faster diagnosis and faster treatment. How often do they eat or drink? How much do they sleep and when? And how frequently do they walk, run and jump? Felcana tracks where they've been, and with its flashback light, you can find them in the dark. Felcana has been developed by a world-class team of vets and engineers. It's been designed and tested using the latest technology, materials and manufacturing techniques to be the best for your pet, for you and for your vet.
Data in veterinary practice is going to be so important in the future. It makes all the difference to our assessment of how cases are progressing and if there are problems in the first place. The data is so important.
Even the best trackers don't provide clinically useful data and can't help with speedy diagnosis, while Felcana can. Felcana is designed to be kind to your pet and robust enough to handle whatever life throws at it. At work, at home, near and far. Be connected, always. And we're now ready to launch Felcana here on Kickstarter, and we'd love you and your pets to be part of our story. Listen to your pet.
We all need power to function, survive, and connect. But we always seem to run out of it.
Your battery is running low.
Either because we choose to get out to nature and away from the grid, or in the case of a natural disaster, the grid chooses to get away from us. The rise in number of natural disasters and the effect it has on communities has created a real need for an autonomous energy source to provide lighting, communications, and electric energy for a wide range of devices. This is why we created this, the KaliPAK, a green energy generator that fits dozens of off-the-grid energy needs. The KaliPAK is completely sustainable and autonomous. It can rely solely on its patented solar panel with a unique angle dial and comes with a rain cover so you can keep the power going in case of rain. The KaliPAK app connects through the built-in Bluetooth and lets you follow the pack's energy levels and effectiveness, connected devices' consumption levels, and more. The 39-amp battery is powerful enough to charge your iPhone up to 120 times, an iPad up to 40 times, and in our case, powerful enough to provide energy for our entire set for a whole day, including our fridge, till we ran out of beer. When designing the KaliPAK, our team of industrial designers, mechanical and electrical engineers, battery experts, and disaster experts focused on developing a seamless user experience functionality in different grid-independent scenarios. Your backing will allow us to bring the KaliPAK to market and provide a valid solution for all of our off-the-grid energy needs, for emergency situations, or just so you'll be able to keep the fun going. In addition, your backing will allow us to donate KaliPAKs to African communities who lack energy infrastructure and make their life a little easier. So may the power be with you, whenever and wherever you need it.